Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your BMW trunk or boot open automatically. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm now going to reveal to you how the trunk opens, and then we'll get onto the video showing you how I've done this. So if you just watch here, I'm now going to open the boot and you will see it open automatically as I hold the button on the key. Now if we shut the tailgate, again, trunk, boot, whatever you want to call it, you'll see that it goes down. Now on the BMW F20, mostly on the 1 Series, you will have to pull this latch and the boot will not rise automatically, and you'll see that as well a lot on the E90s. This can be done on the E90s also, and I'm going to show you again just by opening that cap. The boot will open automatically.
What? Goddamn, get it done, will ya? When I blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know. Okay
guys, so many of you are probably wondering how I've converted my tailgate or trunk to open automatically. Now, if you see here, this is the BMW F20. Now normally to open a tailgate, you would end up having to do that. And if you see, it don't open automatically. I would then have to lift the tailgate up. Now if you'll notice right here, these are the struts that connect to the trunk to actually put the trunk up and to hold it up when the trunk is open. Now this is basically old technology now. There's a lot of boot systems, trunk systems like on the BMW E60 where you press the button, as you would have seen in the beginning of the video, and the trunk will open automatically. But BMW never decided to actually put them on these cars. They only decided to put the old fashioned trunk struts on these, or boot struts. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is I'm going to show you how to convert that to make this open automatically. Now this can be done to all your BMWs, and I will show you how you can actually do that and where you can actually get these from to make it work on all your BMWs. Now the company that actually sent me these is called Emerald Struts, and they are designing a lot of different struts for every single car, be it Mini, BMW, Vauxhall, Ford. They're trying to design as many struts as possible to get every car to have automatic boot or trunk opening. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you how to remove these and fit the new struts. So you'll see right here, this is the package I received from George at Emerald Struts, and I just want to give a big thank you to him for actually sending them to me. We're not going to get into a lot of the nitty-gritty details, but there was an actual error, and yeah, so I actually received the product this time, and therefore I am going to be fitting them to my BMW F20. Now, if you'll see inside, he's gave me 5 air fresheners. Now you can purchase these on their website, which I'll show you in a little while how you can access their website and purchase it. They do ship all around the world from what I'm aware of, also to the States. So if you guys did want to buy these for any of your cars, they do them for the E90 also, you will be able to purchase them. Inside he gave me 5 air fresheners, which I'll put on the bench and I'll use them in my car when need be. But if you can see they're really good, and they're all different flavors: black ice, vanilla, raspberry, honey peach and blueberry. So we've got them all there. Inside the box we've also got decals, which for our windows, if we want to put them on, which I will be doing, I'll put them on as we go along. It says Emerald Struts right there. We've also got a key case in there for the F20 key, which is a carbon fiber one. We've also got the band to hook it to us if we wanted to. So he gave me quite a lot, and also the screwdriver to dismantle the key case to actually put the hook on as well. You'll see there's got a screw which you'll end up hooking it onto. Now inside here, you'll see these are the struts. This is what we're going to be fitting to the car. And if you can see here, compared to the other ones, these have a spring. Now there is a lot of silly idiots out there who will tell you not to fit these and these are dangerous. Do not believe them. There is many cars out there with these fitted and don't even have an issue. Now they do come back to a warranty, and if there is an issue, George is very good at answering questions. He is also available on Instagram at Your Mercy. The moment you message him, he will respond to you and he will rectify the issue if you're having them. Now, there's been a lot of people saying that these bend the boot and they took them off and put their old struts back on. Been a lot of people saying that their rear window's broken. These are absolute idiots, and you've got to change the coding on your car for the boot time to actually open. There's a delay on the boot that you can code in that you must do to make this mod actually last as long as possible. Secondly, it's idiots who go around using this 24/7, end up damaging the actual struts itself. You know, these are basically a gimmick and they're designed by a company, not by BMW. So you've got to remember, at the end of the day, you're fitting them at your own risk, and therefore, you know, it wasn't designed by BMW, it was designed by an affiliate company, which is Georgia Emerald Struts, and therefore they're still in the works, and many people are using them without issue. So we're going to go ahead, open them up, take the old struts off, and fit these to my F20. So the trick here is to do one side first and then the other side so the hatch actually stays open. So it's very easy. You just want to go inside here, which has got a clip, a little clip spring, and you want to bring the clip spring out, which locks the strut in. You can see that it pulls out very easily, and you can pull it off just like that. You'll see there. And then you just want to twist the other one off as well. You also see we've got this one right here, which we're now going to remove. This one's got another locking clip, and you see that one's just removed just like that. Okay, so this is the strut that's going to be going on, and if you see, there's a spring on here which is going to spring up to make the trunk open automatically. Now I'm going to connect this to the rods here and to here as well. But the first thing we're going to do is we've got to take out these little pins inside here which actually lock it. They're right here, and you need to pull them out before you actually put them on the boot itself. First thing we want to do is connect the one in the bottom. Then you're going to want to connect the one in the top right there. Then you're going to want to get your locking pin and slide that in here and then around there to lock it in place. Then the same for this side. You're going to want to find your locking pin, which is right down here, and then that's one complete as well. So that is the strut. Now on, that's the first one. Okay guys, and as you'll see here, now time for the trial. We've now shut the boot. We'll just pop it open. If you can see there, it now opens automatically. And then we'll shut that again. And it is a bit hard, and that's the springs, as you can see there, because they're ready to pop upwards as soon as you unlock the car. We'll shut that again, and we'll just do it again. If you see there, opens up automatically. So if you do have shopping or any big bags, you will be able to actually just open your boot just like that. Okay guys, so as you'll see here, you can see I'm right on the Emerald Struts website. This is George's website, and as you can see there, they actually closed of the week of the 26th of July. Now, if you do want to place any orders, you can come to the website right above here, and you can indeed place your orders for whatever car it is you have. If you want to go around and check, you can actually just do shop models, and you can see all the models here that they actually do for the automatic boot opening. They've actually got the Audi S3, the full Fiesta Mark 7, E81, E87 BMW, so that will be the 1 Series as well for the E87s. You've also got the E90s and E92s. You've also got the F22 BMW, you've got Vauxhall there, full Fiesta Mark 8, Volkswagen Scirocco, E82 and E20 and F23. You've also got the electric Focus hatchback as well, so you can do the electric boot opening. You've got the Mark 7 Golf, which is sold out, and you've also got the F40 BMW. Now, if most of them are sold out, it's probably because they're waiting on them to be actually made. I do know also they're going to be making a lot of Audi ones for the Audi A1, so they're on the way. Also, the F20 is probably the best selling one they actually have on their website. But you can also see here, you've got a load of different things. You've got carbon key fobs as well, which you can order. You would have seen in my box, they actually sent me one. This was the one I actually got at the top here. So it was this one that I actually ordered, and they sent me that one out. But you can see here, they do all different ones right here for all these key fobs. These are not going to be applicable for the BMW E90s and E60s, and that's purely because these are for keyless go, which mine actually have. So you've also got all other accessories here on their website, which is the lanyards, the air fresheners, the ball stud pins for your actual struts that go onto your boot. You've also got the decals, you've also got hoodies, hats, and obviously stud valves as well for your prep, for your tires. So you've got a lot of good things you can actually buy from them if you really want to, but this is the website you'd actually come to, place your order. So you come on here, place your order, you'd go into the basket here, you check out, and then what you would end up doing is getting a dispatched email once your order's been dispatched. If you do have any issues, you can contact George on their Instagram, which I'll show you in a second. So this is George his Instagram page, and he is very quick at responding. You can see here they show all the latest features and all the latest struts they're going to be revealing. So everything here is on their Instagram. They're very good at replying. Also, go and follow them, guys, because they're actually really, really good. And trust me, he does honor his warranty and honors the feedback because he cares about his feedback on his actual items. A lot of people have tried to slander this company, tried to put them down, saying their struts are bad, they break, they're this, they're that. But in realistic terms, I think it's mostly people not fitting them correctly, and a lot of people have never even used them. They're just slandering them because they don't want to pay £80 for a pair of struts. But bearing in mind, this modification is a great modification to do to any car that doesn't have automatic boot opening, even for me. Fair enough, I was giving them, but in the same sense, I was prepared to actually pay for them before he sent me them. So if you go and give him a follow, or you have any questions, go and message George, and if he'll find out, and you can actually find out if your car is actually going to be made and if he's going to make the struts for your car. Okay guys, so as you've seen there, I've now converted my BMW F20 to have the trunk lid automatically open on the key fob. Now this mod is really, really good, and it's a really nice feature to actually have on the F20. When I got the 1 Series, after having 5 Series which automatically open on the key fob, I was hating it so much. And now having that mod and being able to change my F20 to make it open automatically is like, you know, a dream come true, because it's something I always wanted to have, because all BMW should have this. If you are after this mod to get for your BMW, I would strongly recommend to go on Emerald Struts. As you would have seen, I showed you the website. They are available for F20s and all other cars as well, and they will be releasing more as they go along. They make them themselves, so therefore they will be making a lot more for all different cars. I do know they have the E90 ones up there, but you can contact George at Emerald Struts. They are on Instagram, and they will be more than happy to help you. This is a great mod to actually have on your car, and I'm really pleased with it. Probably one of the best mods I'm actually revealing and actually doing a video for, if I'm actually honest with you, because it's something very useful that many people can actually buy and actually use and benefit from. So I hope you guys have actually enjoyed this video. I just want to thank George again for actually sending them to me from Emerald Struts. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.